All right, we've got a winter storm here. Let's take a little ride in a WTAM news vehicle. Let's see what it's like out there on the roads. What a storm here in Cleveland. First, we got to get the vehicle ready. Here we go. We're going to take a little drive.
And feel amorous.
Let's head down to Quicken Loans Arena and see how many people have showed up for the Cavaliers game.
I think probably we better move on there. All right, what a day. Well, we'll find out more. What Google means to him. Cavs are getting ready. After scoring 50 the night before in New York, LeBron still had his shooting touch in the first quarter.
We're here at the Q. It's a blinding snowstorm. Traffic is snarled, but people are making their way to see the Cavaliers.
You don't think they should have canceled the game today?
Oh no, it's a great day. Look at all the people that are coming down here. These are diehard fans down here today.
Okay.
It's great.
Great. Okay. What about you, sir?
It's a great day to have a Cavs game. I'm excited to be here. It's better than staying in the house. And what better way to have a nice day like this at Cleveland Cavs Stadium?
Well, you know, the police were saying, you know, stay off the roads and essential travel only. But I guess sports is pretty essential, huh?
Oh, absolutely. It should be like this. Feels like a Browns game, but not right here at a Cavs game here. Yeah. It's cold. We're from Canada.
You're from Canada?
Yeah, we're Raptors fans.
Oh, man. Well, where in Canada are you from?
We're from Hamilton.
Hamilton,
Yeah.
home of the Hamilton Tiger Cats.
Yeah.
So this is nothing new to you?
Well, we're used to this stuff. No, we're kind of used to stuff, yeah. Go Cubs! Go Blue Jays! Yeah! The Blue Jays.
So you have this weather all the time in Canada,
Oh,
huh?
yeah. Every day, basically.
Did you drive in, or?
Oh, yeah, we just drove yesterday for soccer. It got canceled, though. So. I was go to the Browns games when it's like this, come down here when it's like this. It was an opening day when it was like this. Wouldn't miss it for the world.
How do you like this weather?
I love this weather. We should be at a Browns game, but we're here at a Cavs game. We're going to enjoy this game.
Okay. Well, what about aren't you tired of winter by now?
Pretty much. Yeah, I'm ready for it to be over. This is a little ridiculous. 15 inches is not safe for anybody.
There you go. You're dressed for the tropics here. What's going on?
You want more skin?
This is crazy. Look at you. You're wearing a tropical shirt. Your shirt is open, and it's a blizzard down here.
Hey, we love Cleveland, man. We'll take the snow. We'll take whatever it is, man.
Wow.
We love it down here. This is Cleveland Cavaliers basketball, baby.
Whew. Oh, enough of this. Let's get back to the station. See, here's the front of our building. Not too bad, but boy, you get out on that road here and you get this blowing snow and you can barely see where the road is. All right, that's enough. Let's go in and get warm.